Money, we year more a fast sunny, my even on the campaign. Am I you know so can you United Camp?
Abuza from Mamu na makwaba e de bagana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amajo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amajo so. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
Money, we year more a fast sunny, my even on the campaign. Am I you know so can you United campaign sham and 2 random your phone Yabarova and 2 Island Dirba. So come woomle. What is all you know about any cinema? You want to let you to put parwa, you want to let you Kabwell to Jara. You may never near part to soon work at the voter party. To so you could get to be a voter party. So can Pumpo vote, so can Pumpo in Compo, so can in so can vote a low manso. So my vote I can Yanzang, Yanzang, Mabuarama. Can you tell vote about Cayenne? The two vote, don't vote. Toi n'en as tenu la pouparba. Yiriyan portela tu ma yeba porte. Fatraza kana pouparba nyete yibi tite fatraza. Fatrata ma ka zuzule na yo. Wa! Ka zuzule. Nzale triyin yen tashaba. Na yo yoya. Edis pa edis shaba zu fatraza ma kan turma. Na yo senya ba ma dis ba no bia dene. Ka tam na tonam garra soana ma. Ha wala ki te bolte yola. Yinyiga.
I don't see how, Oman, a 24-hour market will deal with the problem of unemployment comprehensively. I don't see how. Because the point is that, Oman, if it were to be so, we have existing market in areas a very busy. Say Kaneshi market or Oman. Kaneshi market is one of the markets. Kaneshi market so do yaji hunyina. Amanfo was tossed woman ade. It will be easy to then, okay, let's pilot here in 24-hour economy market by year Juma. Let Kaneshi market run 24 hours first. If you run Kaneshi market 24 hours, that's a year Juma. Then you say, okay, this thing can work. But no, Nipa wo Kaneshi Nipa be brego, among 40 ho, a established market dada. Let's see how Kaneshi can be made to run 24 hours. So that you can convince me, say me see 24-hour economy market was jarapa. And I said last year Toloa, it's a joke.
But the market is not a panacea to the 24-hour market.
No.
It's not.
The promise that was given 1 trillion. How does the market solve that?
The market,
and that's why I think, sir, the president and his cabinet.
The late John Kuma, there were a certain squad. Abu Ramadan. A certain squad. Kofi 1, 2, 3. Go and check. Yes, so na increase. Who said that will be a clean? Why the kawa? One that NDC for ben that or mono. Na MPP for ben say ABC danana. I'm saying. Let's stop this hypocritical attitude you put it up when we are in government. As if say at the end of the way I will be in their practice. You are a beneficiary. You are a beneficiary.
Asempa FE.
Other than the one who see your hand in the accord, no, they will be in your pedias and Remukono, or any Pamoja be anywhere. What do you mean? You want to explain yourself? I also have an explanation. Every institution in this country has been bastardized, it has been tainted politically. So when you take decisions now as an independent institution, what they say is that
in a way.
Because that is what has been with us time immemorial. Yeah. Down party take a decision na NDC for a busy that. Why not say Obusma Kutre? Why not anybody sa? Not your honor, your honor, yes, you can. So what do you want us to do now? Obi na say dem your honor NDC for nation before she bombs Obi or the nyansa didi na comfort ye nidi. Chuku na wa koni nyame hro na woni mu no and comfort and tokwane ateni nidi ana. Hey, Oma you so ba habi. There be you see Ministry of Transport say NDC for nkwa na mra no. We've got it to a point where people take it personal that they can't believe why they will see Omahini talking to an NDC minister. Yeah. They don't have a problem. Yeah. They have a big problem with that. What do you mean? What country are you building? You're interested in a foreigner engaging our minister than me. I'm engaged. What do you mean? Ghanaian. What do you mean?
Because of
Edemano. Unya Kabila Al Hassan. Ayi teacher ni yo say hwan ya woni akora bi de ba yi o de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ ke unim se atintenhu ta woto na uhwiri treasure unim se atintenhu eta woto na uhwiri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ ke onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asamba fa we ya futuo obi asamba susuka na wonim de da wanim obi asamba susuka na me am srema wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJ K sasai enim guase we ya wagu ne ho eh DJ K nya ni pa asem wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ K no minim de ntia be se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me say baby I won't ankasa baby I issue no ka fine na fa ye somebody can catch us say afa ye pa entimi yentimi nka yentimi enka no say de nka ese ye ka no ene wu nti Kamila Al Hassan otwa krom ha chese DJ K na wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye unim nyanza se ne hwan wo krom a on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu ya na ho yesere ya na video ni ehwe ni say ya ene de ho na wo hye wo no ene wo na wo hye wo no me say Kamila Al Hassan baby owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de be abonten endra me ye video ba akoma na no ne part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ K Mrs. wa we are nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na ho kwa ene wiase no ensa emmeka wono yenkoka no ano a emmeka wono yenkoka no Kamila Al Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na wo kra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa nya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what a pad sanya wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
We just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana for say me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones it really go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, "Hey, hospital and a go sana no me say." It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. This is a scan of the was I would to me say, "Oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort." Name my comfort must sacrifice discard to what the eye hospitals are most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator is on funded free seniors most of my comfort. You see, I ain't Ghana for debut. I find a tables net 10 after the Mokika. Why are they shouting? Obian can't to me and call I saw from among common into with the greatest of it, among common into them queen in a home. Chief imam for them common to them queen in a home. Politicians need common to them queen in a home. Market women among common to them queen in a home. Obian can't to them queen in a home. 2020 Jua, then you know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow, no the credit scoring system, but I must open content. Nancy Bibi Nina said, "Ye be a kitting, invest kitting. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk." And here same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system also open kitting. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems. Most of them kitting. Is any one day? You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu wache dem me na wo ne wo sia che me sabi me na me ko ka che Regr3t say o mema was come to boot one ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu ade da mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de Regr3t ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto aba na ma boom mo to aba ma kinki government etimi
Sese die ko ye kra de menu now to me hu letter bi a yokofo chro ye eba council of state member voter region na me se fiam Remona Chapa ya hyping say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.